In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Gumroad. If you're looking to share your skills and expertise with the world, Gumroad offers a simple platform to launch your online course seamlessly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Once you've logged into Gumroad, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll find the Products tab prominently displayed there. This is your gateway to managing all the digital goods you want to offer. Now, by clicking on the Products tab, you'll be taken to a new area. It's here where you'll organize and control everything related to what you're selling. Look for the New Product button and give it a click. This action is your first step toward making your course a reality. A fresh window will pop up, prompting you to select the type of product you aim to create. Spread your knowledge by clicking on Course or Tutorial, which is perfectly designed for instructional content. Choosing an enticing and intriguing name for your course is your next task. It's important because the name should not only capture your audience's attention, but also reflect the substance and value you are offering. Once you're happy with the title, it's time to focus on the currency. Think about your audience and select the currency that's most applicable to them. With that settled, you can determine the price for your course. Balance is key here. Set a price that aligns with the course's value while remaining accessible to potential buyers. Afterward, click Next to move forward to the customization phase. Customization is your chance to captivate potential customers. Start by crafting a compelling description of your course. This is the moment to provide insights into the benefits your buyers will achieve and why your course is the right choice for them. Identify the key takeaways and mention any prerequisites to ensure the description is as engaging and informative as possible. To create a strong visual impact, click on Upload images or videos to set a cover for your course. Additionally, uploading a standout thumbnail can help to uniquely represent your content. The visuals will often offer the first impression to potential buyers, so make them count. Afterward, composing a summary that highlights the course's strengths and objectives can further reinforce its appeal. When you click on Add Detail, you'll have the opportunity to include any extra information that might influence a buyer's decision. Details here can be the deciding factor, so don't underestimate them. Lastly, ensure everything is saved by clicking Save and Continue. This leads you to the Content Entry page where you can add the course materials you've meticulously prepared. Once you've organized all the content and reviewed its presentation, your next step is simple yet significant. Click on Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your course is now live on Gumroad. Leveraging this platform allows you to share your unique expertise with a broader audience. By following each step thoroughly, you're well on your way to finding success in your course selling journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.